more individualized, faster. GROB drive technology. Our mission is our strongest drive. We want to always be faster and more customized than anyone else, to the benefit of our customers, while always offering the highest level of quality, made in Germany. That has made us a leading international partner in drive technology, the first choice when it comes to lifting, moving and conveying materials. We can handle the trickiest challenges, the smallest batches, and the shortest delivery times. As a mid-sized family company, we are used to pushing our own boundaries. Day after day, year after year. For over 75 years now. Specialized requirements, specialized solutions. Innovative products from GROB Antriebstechnik are the core, driving technology behind many machines, systems and aggregates. Lift cylinders, geared actuators, electrical cylinders and feed chains work quietly in the background while delivering outstanding precision, in a wide temperature range from -50 to 200 degrees Celsius. The list of applications they are used in is as exotic as it is diverse. We have our own company nursery school on the premises and thus support young employees and their family. Are you coming with an e-car? No problem. Just charge it at our e-charging stations on the company premises.